Hello everyone, welcome to the 217th episode of me learning how to trade in Forex. So in the last episode we went through the Forex courses for beginners. So there's two main categories of Forex trading courses: online courses and individual training. Criteria to consider before signing up for Forex trading courses. So the reputation of a course: a solid trading program won't promise anything but useful information and proven strategies. Certification for the course: so good trading courses are certified through a regulatory body or financial institution. Time and cost: carefully examine the time and cost commitments as they vary widely between the courses. And read the course's terms and conditions carefully and determine if it promises anything unreasonable. Check its credentials and certification for authenticity. So that's the Forex course for beginners. And then in the last episode we discussed that so starting off like in a small group and expand upwards. So starting in Forex trading strategy, so doing everything I guess valuable within this section and then going upwards. So the higher up category from the Forex trading strategy and education is guide to Forex trading. So we can then do everything in here and then we can move on to the trading. So that allows us to navigate through the Investopedia page in a organized manner. So we just finished Forex courses for beginners, which is in the strategy and education, guide to Forex trading. So Forex trading strategy and education. So 3 reasons why countries devalue their currency. That's sort of advanced, I guess. Forex market definition, how it works, types, trading risk. I think we've done this one, so that can be ticked off. Top 6 most tradable currency pairs, not really general enough. 6 continuing and common USD dominations, okay, not really general enough. Floating exchange rate, what is it, how it works, history, nah, not general enough. So why is the Forex market open 24 hours a day, not general enough. Foreign exchange risk, what it is and hedging against it with examples. Nah, not doing that one. How to use currency correlations to your advantage, not general enough. Forex courses for beginners, that's the one we've done. Forex courses for beginners, so we can tick that one off. 3 common ways to forecast currency exchange rates. Nah, not general enough. What is best method of analysis for Forex trading? Not general enough. What is a cross rate definition and examples of major cross rates? Not general enough. Currency carry trade definition as trading strategy and example, not general enough. Forex spot rate, what is it, how it works? Not general enough. Hard currency definition examples versus soft currency, not general enough. Non-deliverable forward meaning, structure and currencies, not general enough. Weak currency meaning and examples, pros and cons, not general enough. 5 factors that influence exchange rates, not general enough. 6 questions about currency trading. It's a bit random, but not general enough. What is a currency board definition? What does it do? Example, not general enough. Top exchange rates pegged to the USD, not general enough. 6 most popular currencies for trading, not general enough. Currency translation, accounting methods, risks and examples, not general enough. Rupee definition, value and examples of Indian currency, not general enough. Understanding denomination of real world example, not general enough. Overshooting definition in economics, how it works and history, not general enough. Currency pegging overviews, pros and cons, not general enough. What do the terms weak dollar and strong dollar mean? Not general enough. What is direct quote definition in currency and formula? Not general enough. How does leverage affect pip value? Nope. Currency pair Euro USD definition and history? Nope. Is there a buy and hold strategy in Forex? Nope. Is scalping a viable Forex trading strategy? Nope. Rollover rates, Forex overview, examples and formulas? Nope. South African Rand, history of the currency? Nope. What are the most commonly traded currency pairs? Nope. Forex market, who trades currencies and why? this looks like it's general enough, maybe. Six reasons you need a diary for both good and backs. Forex trades, nope. How the interbank market, what it is and how it works, nope. Exchange rates, what they are, how they work and why they fluctuate, nope. What is a USDX and how to trade it? What is a US dollar index and how to trade it? Nope. Exchange rate mechanism, definition, objective, examples. What is an indirect quote, definition and versus direct quote? Nope. Where is the central location of the Forex market? Nope. How to calculate an exchange rate? Nope. Why the GBP is stronger than the USD? Nope. What are the advantages of using a mini Forex account for trading? Nope. Can I trade a currency when its main market is closed? Nope. Tomorrow next, definition, purpose, and example. Nope. Currency exchange, definition, how it works and where to find it. So, how currency works, where to find a currency exchange. Okay, never mind. The best times to trade the Forex markets. Calculating profit and losses of your currency trades. The Forex 3-session system. Top 3 apps of Forex traders. Full discount definition, calculation formula and example. Foreign exchange dealers coalition. International Fisher effect, definition, example, formula. Tugric MNT, what is it, how it works, history. How to choose a Forex broker, what you need to know. How to trade Forex. So this is a relevant one. Let's just do this one. How to trade Forex. How to trade. Just make sure we haven't done this yet, right? How to trade Forex. Let's just do how to trade Forex. We have done this one. Wait, let's just make sure it is this one. So it's like a 7 steps to trade Forex. 7 steps. Does it mention the 7 steps? It does. Steps so research, select the broker. Open a Forex trading account. Verify your identity. Fund your Forex trading account. Okay, good. I'm glad we searched for that one because otherwise it'd been a waste of time. So good, we've done this one. So that can be closed off. How to trade Forex is done. Gold standard, definition, how it works, an example. How leverage works in the Forex market. Do you make money trading currencies? Euro dollar, definition, why it's important, an example. Foreign exchange market, how it works, history, and pros and cons. Okay, that's not really relevant. So I think that is all the things done in the Forex trading strategy and education section, which is in the guide to Forex trading section. So can move up from this one now. We finished the Forex courses for beginners. I think there's another one I opened from here. Okay, so from before. So guide to Forex trading. Foreign exchange trading is the trading one currency for another on financial markets. These markets determine the exchange rates between currencies, often involve complex derivatives such as swaps. Going from the world of stock trading to that of Forex trading requires learning a whole new set of skills. So how Forex trading guide, how to buy the CNY, 5 Forex careers for financial professionals, how currency hedged ETFs work, so exchange traded funds work, an introduction to trading Forex futures. Is this really relevant? Forex futures. Yeah, let's just keep this one in the opening. Keep it open. How Forex trades are taxed. Frequently asked questions. Why do people trade currencies? What is Forex trading? How much do Forex traders make? Key terms. Okay. Yeah, okay. So, safe haven currency definition, how it works, how to trade. Nope. GBP history and trading the British pound sterling. Nope. Currency pair, what it is, how it works, and fixed exchange rates. Nope. Forex hedge definition, benefits, how it lowers risk and example. Forex trading robot definition, how it works and costs. So explore guide to Forex trading. So we went through the strategy and education bit. So I'm assuming if we clicked on advanced concepts, it won't show the strategy and education bit, right? No, because there's some here that's guide to Forex trading, which isn't in the advanced concepts bit. So go through them all. Interest rate differentials, definitions, examples. Norwegian krone history example, frequently asked questions. Current rate method, overview and calculations. Net interest rate differential, what it is, how it works. Crosses, what it is, how it works and types. Chinese depository receipt, what it is, how it works. Unsterilized foreign exchange, intervention overview. Advanced concepts. How fiat currency crisis drive nations toward cryptocurrencies. Okay. Currency ETF, meaning, special considerations, examples. Non-deliverable swaps overview and examples. How gold affect currencies, big figure, what it means, how it works, strategy. Nominal effective exchange rate, definition, uses. Foreign currency fixed deposit, meaning, benefits, example. Legal tender, definition, economic functions, examples. Understanding the correlation between oil and currency. Foreign currency convertible bond, defined, how it works. Exposure netting, what it is, how it works, example. Euro currency market, definition, history and types of markets. Purchase power parity, the Big Mac index. Temporal method, what it means, examples. What is a quid? Forex careers, 5 professional designations. European currency units, what it means, how it works. Yuan versus renminbi, what is the difference? Protecting your foreign investments from currency risk. Global currency trade, what it is, how it works. I think we've gone through this one, no? In the beginning altogether now. Brenton Wood is dead. The Welling Gorilla conclusion. Okay, thank you. The USD's unofficial status is the world's currency. Principal exchange rate linked security. Euro currency meaning, overview, examples. Currency union overview, history of criticisms. Asian currency unit, what it means, how it works. What is a currency board, definition, what does it do, an example. What was the European monetary system? What burst the Mississippi bubble? Foreign draft, what it means, how it works. Sawbuck, origin, history of the slang term for a $10 bill. Digital currency exchanger, what it means, how it works. Currency strategist, what it is, how it works. Currency adjustment factor, how it works, example. How do you fund a Forex account? Eurozone definition, history, member countries. Adjustable peg, what it means, how it works, example. Black Wednesday definition, causes, role of George Soros. Transfer risk, what it is, how it works, example. Competitive devaluation, meaning, pros and cons, example. Best place to exchange currency in Las Vegas. It's a bit random. Spot commodity, what it is, how it works, example. Euro definition, history, countries that use it. CNY overview, history. Uncovered interest arbitrage, what it is, how it works. Online currency exchange, what it is, how it works. European terms, what it means, how it works. Currency, how it works. Example, Xeno currency, okay. Universal currency converter, what it means, how it works. Cambist, what it is, how it works. Example, Confederate dollar, history, demise. Forex club, what it means, how it works. What is a Forex club? Okay. French franc, what it was, history, example. AUD, what it is, how it works, Forex markets. Okay, so more in trading. So that's all the bit and explore guide to Forex trading. I don't think there's anything useful in there. We went through the strategy and education bit, so I don't need to read through that again. Advanced concepts, counter trade definition, types and examples. Currency swaps definition, how and why they're done. Uncovered interest rate parity definition and calculation. Hedging the risk of currency swaps. Natural hedge definition, examples in businesses and finance. Currency arbitrage definition, types, risks and examples. Currency convertibility, what it means, how it works. Covered interest arbitrage definition, example versus uncovered. Aggregate risk, what it means, how it works, example. Back-to-back loan definition, purpose and examples. Uncovered interest arbitrage, what it is, how it works. Cash market definition versus futures, how it works and example. Commodity prices and currency movements. Fiat money versus commodity money, which is more prone to inflation. Gold, the other currency, how currency risk affects foreign bonds. Let's see if there's anything more in here. Counter trade definition, types and examples. Currency swaps definition, how and why they're done. Uncovered interest rate parity definition and calculation. Hedging risk of currency swaps. Natural hedge definition, examples in business and finance. Currency arbitrage definition, types, risks and examples. Currency convertibility, what it means, how it works. Covered interest arbitrage definition, example versus uncovered. Aggregate risk, what it means, how it works, example. Back-to-back loan definition, purpose and examples. Uncovered interest arbitrage, what it is, how it works. Cash market definition versus futures, how it works and example. Commodity prices and currency movements. Fiat money versus commodity money, which is more prone to inflation. Gold, the other currency, how currency risk affect foreign bonds. Pros and cons of a fully convertible rupee. How the money market hedge works. How does the price of oil affect Russia's economy? How and why oil impacts the CAD. Biased expectations theory, what it is, how it works. Interest rates, okay. Open position ratio, what it means, how it works, example. Forex options trading, primary types. Forex options trading, primary types and examples. The USD and the JPY, an interesting partnership. Forex automation software for hands-free trading. How petrodollars affect the USD, strong dollar advantages and disadvantages. The Plaza cause effects on currency markets. Bond spread, a leading indicator for Forex. How to use an arbitrage strategy in Forex trading. Currency binary, what it is, how it works, examples. How the balance of trade affects currency exchange rates. Forex arbitrage meaning, types, challenges. Covered interest rate parity definition, calculation, example. How US stock prices correlate to the value of USD. Forward points and currency, the basics and examples. Forward exchange contracts, definition, formula, example. Triangular arbitrage, definition, examples. Introduction to the international Fisher effect. Sterilized interventions in Forex, what it means, examples. WM routers benchmark rates, definition and uses for portfolio. What is cross-currency triangulations, how it works, an example. What do outrights mean in the context of Forex markets? Leads and lags, definition, example, risks. Settlement risk, definition, two main types and how to reduce it. Euro CHF, Euro Swiss franc relationship, what it is, how it works. Inflation hedge, crawling peg, definition, purpose, effect on currencies. Forex trading with Bitcoin, how does it work? How are NDFs, non-deliverable forwards, priced? Beggar thy neighbor, meaning and history in Forex. Automatic execution, what it is, how it works. Money hedge, money market hedge, definition, strategy, process and examples. Local exchange trading system, what it means, how it works. Currency overlay, what it is, how it works. Currency risk sharing, what it is, example, how it works, example. China's state administration of foreign exchange overview. LIBID versus LIBOR, what's the difference? Currency war, definition, how it works, effects, and example. Currency basket, what it is, how it works, example. What happens to the USD during a trade deficit? Currency warrants, dual currency service. Trading currency futures versus spot FX, what's the difference? Forward discount, definition and calculation, formula and example. Yeah, so not much useful things in here, so well, where does the top 5 books for beginner Forex traders come in? Why have I not seen it before? Top 5 books for Forex traders. Wait, how did I find this one? Strategy and education. Why is this top 5 books for beginner Forex traders not on here? Guide to Forex trading, strategy and education. Top 5 books for Forex traders. Where's this article gone? It's not here. That's a bit weird. Guide to Forex trading, strategy and education. Yeah, it's not in here, so where's this article come from? How have I opened this? I don't know, but foreign exchange market, how it works, history, pros and cons. Advantages, disadvantages. Yeah, I don't think this is any relevant anymore, so we can close this one off. Best online Forex trading classes. Okay, so this is the trading bit, so we haven't... Where's this top 5 books for beginner Forex traders come in? Guide to Forex trading, strategy and education. Anyways, can't find it, but let's do this one. Top 5 books for beginner Forex traders. Top 5 books for beginner Forex traders. 04 08. So The world of foreign exchange can be daunting even to experienced hands-on investors. However, there are plenty of books on the subject for currency trading, ranging from basic introductions to the Forex market to advanced strategies based on fundamental analysis and technical analysis. These are the 5 of the best that have stood the test of time and the Forex market's up and downs. Key takeaways. Currency Trading for Dummies by Paul, Kathleen and Brian. Day Trading and Swing Trading, the Currency Markets by Kathy. Japanese Candlestick Charting Techniques by Steve. How to Make Living Trading Foreign Exchange by Courtney. Forex Trading, the Basics Explained in Simple Terms by Jim. Let's see. Currency Trading for Dummies by Paul, Kathleen and Brian. Currency Trading for Dummies is one of the best of the lot for beginners. It presents clear, easy to read instructions on currency trading and descriptions of the Forex market. In fact, it's not a bad read for more seasoned hands who needs a quick refresher on the basics. It's regularly used as a resource by the financial media. Originally published in 2011, the updated book was co-written by Paul, CEO of Prosperity Network, Kathleen, Director of Research at Forex.com, and Brian, former Chief Currency Strategist at Forex.com. Ooh, very nice. Currency Trading for Dummies. Currency Trading for Dummies. Day Trading and Swing Trading, the Currency Market by Kathy. Kathy is a world-renowned currency analyst, BK Asset Management's managing director, and a frequent guest on Bloomberg, CNBC, and Reuters programs. Now in its 3rd edition, her book employs a 2-pronged approach that combines theory and actionable learning with balanced insight into fundamental and technical forex trading strategies designed to generate regular profits. Leon walks readers step by step through Forex fundamentals such as the long and short-term factors affecting currency pairs. She also covers the technical analysis trading strategies that professional Forex traders use every day. So, day trading and swing trading the currency market. Japanese Candlestick Charting Techniques by Steve. Steve Nissen's Japanese Candlestick Charting Techniques is credited with introducing this versatile technical analysis tool, now widely used by Forex traders to the Western world. This book provides a lengthy and in-depth education on candlestick charting, which is also used for futures, speculation, hedging, equities, and anywhere else that technical analysis may be applied. Nissen's work is ideal for traders seeking to up their trading strategies game. As they do, they might want to consult one of the sequels Nissen has written, the Candlestick Course, Beyond Candlesticks, New Japanese Charting Techniques Revealed, and Strategies for Profiting with Japanese Candlestick Charts. Japanese Candlestick Charting Techniques. The sequel, so what is it? The Candlestick Course, Beyond Candlesticks, New Japanese Charting Techniques Revealed, New Japanese Charting Techniques Revealed, and Strategies for Profiting with Japanese Candlestick Charts. Strategies for Profiting with Japanese Candlestick Charts. How to make a living trading foreign exchange. How to make a living trading foreign exchange. Courtney Smith begins How to Make a Living Trading Foreign Exchange with an introduction to the world of Forex that explains how the market works. But most of this 2010 work is devoted to making money, offering 6 strategies to earn a steady income by trading. Smith also provides important risk management and techniques, as well as material on the psychology of trading. It includes an explanation of Smith's unique rejection rule, a strategy designed to double the profit generated from basic channel breakout systems. Forex trading, the basics explained in simple terms. The basics explained in simple terms. As the title indicates, this book is oriented towards giving beginners the basics. The author is a self-taught forex trader who became intrigued by currency exchange and its profits at a private gathering for stock traders. The text stands out for Brown's clear, concise language that, without being condescending, never takes the reader's knowledge for granted. Some of the basics covered are the definitions of forex and forex markets, strategies for entrances and exits, trading psychology, the ins and outs of forex pairs, places to trade foreign currencies, tips on how to choose a broker. Brown also offers up his own trading strategy that a novice can use, or at least be inspired by and use as a guideline for creating a personalized one. So, I think out of all these, either currency trading for dummies or forex trading the basics explained in simple terms is probably going to be the first ones to read, and then the others. So could be the first read, could be the first read. Okay, so what is Forex? Forex, or foreign exchange, refers to the market where traders and investors come together to trade currencies. The Forex market is the largest and most liquid in the world. Trading mainly takes place electronically in the global marketplace, and daily trading volume reached $7.5 trillion in April 2022. Traders try to profit from fluctuations in currency exchange rates. How large is the foreign exchange trading industry? The foreign exchange trading industry is the largest and most liquid in the world, facilitates currency conversions and global trade. Trading volume in this market surpasses trading in the stock exchange, according to the Bank for International Settlements. Daily trading hit 7.5 trillion in April 2022. What is the most commonly traded currency? The USD is the most commonly traded currency in the world. The average daily trading volume for the currency is $2.9 trillion. The Euro and the JPY follow the USD on the list of the world's most traded currencies. Bottom line, the Forex market can be a tricky one to navigate because of the intricacies involved. The profits can be big, but the risks can also be very substantial. If you're a novice trader, there are many books you can use to help you break into the market. Be sure to check out the books on our top 5 list above to fine-tune your Forex strategies and maximize your chances of success. Okay. So that's the books done. So Guide to Forex Trading is all done. These are the trading. So we've finished Guide to Forex Trading, which is in the trading section. So trading, get expert advice on finding the right broker, learn to trade stocks, understand how to evaluate the markets. If you're looking to invest and trade stocks for the long term, then one of the best online brokers is all you need. But if you're looking to day trade, you want to do your research and find a platform that fits your trading style best. Investopedia identified 26 trading platforms and then collected over 2,300 data points to determine which are the best for day traders. Best day trading platforms that made our list provide excellent apps for analyzing indicators and executing trades on a variety of securities, including stocks, cryptocurrency, options, forex, futures, and more. Best day trading platforms. Best day trading platform for options? Nothing. Anyways, so trading, how to trade stocks, 6 steps to get started. We're not doing stocks, so best day trading platforms of 2024, not relevant. Best online brokers and trading platforms, not relevant. How to trade options, not really relevant. How to use an Investopedia simulator, not really relevant. 6 best investment apps for August, not relevant. Best time of days, weeks, and month to trade stocks, not relevant. Alpha and beta for beginners. Quantitative analysis. Mastering short-term trading. What is this? Mastering short-term trading, so is this relevant? Recognizing, watch the moving averages, understand overall cycles or patterns. Get a sense of market trends. Yeah, it's kind of relevant. You know what? Let's do this one. This looks interesting to read. So Investopedia, mastering short term trading. Date is the 4th, so 4/08. So short-term trading can be very lucrative, but it can also be very risky. A short-term trade can last for as little as a few minutes to as long as several days. To succeed in this strategy as a trader, you must understand the risk and reward of each trade. You must not only know how to spot good short-term opportunities, but also how to protect yourself. Several basic concepts must be understood and mastered for successful short-term trading. Understanding the fundamentals can mean the difference between a loss and profitable trade. In this article, we'll examine the basics of spotting good short-term trades and how to profit from them. So, recognizing potential candidates. Recognizing the right trade will mean that you will know the difference between a good potential situation and ones to avoid. Too often, investors get caught up in the moment and believe that if they watch the evening news and read the financial pages, they will be on top of what's happening in the markets. The truth is, by the time we hear about it, the market is already reacting. So some basic steps must be followed to find the right trades at the right times. So recognizing the right trade will mean you know the difference between a good potential situation and ones to avoid. Too often investors get caught up in the moment and believe that if they watch the evening news and read the financial pages, they'll be on top of what's happening in the markets. Truth is, by the time we hear about it, the market is already reacting. So the market has /R already reacting, has already reacting by the time you hear about the financial news. So some basic steps must be followed to find the right trades at the right times. Step 1, watch the moving averages. Step 1, so what is some basic steps to find the right trades at the right times. Watch the moving averages. A moving average is the average price of a stock over a specified period of time, over a specific period of time. Yep. Moving average is the average price of a stock over a specific period of time. Wait, is this about Forex or just about stocks? Because if it's about stocks, then I don't know how much of it is going to apply to Forex though. Watch the moving averages, understand overall cycles or patterns. See, it's talking about S&P 500, which is a stock. So but well, let's just see actually. Let's give it some over a period of time. Most common time frames are 15, 20, 30, 50, 100 and 200 days. Overall idea is to show whether the stock is trending upward or downwards. Generally, a good candidate will have a moving average that is sloping upwards. If you're looking for a good stock to short, you are generally want to find one with a moving average that is flattening out or declining. Overall idea is to see if the stock is trending upward or downward. Step 2, understand overall cycles or patterns. Step 2, understand overall cycles or patterns. Generally, the markets trade in cycles. which makes it important to watch the calendar at particular times. Does it in Forex though? Generally, the market trades in cycles. Let's put a question mark here. Which makes it important to watch the calendar at particular times. So, watch the calendar at particular times. From 1950 to 2021, most of the gains in S&P 500 have come in the November to April time frame, while during May to October period the averages have been relatively static. As a trader, cycles can be used to your advantage to determine good times to enter into long or short positions. So cycles can be used to your advantage to determine good times to enter long or short positions. Step 3, get a sense of market trends. Get a sense of market trends. If the trend is negative, you might consider shorting and do very little buying. If the trend is positive, you may want to consider buying with very little shorting. When the overall market trend is against you, the odds of having a successful trade drop. When the overall market trend is against you, the odds of having a successful trade drops. Can't spell. Following these basic steps will give you understanding of how and when to spot the right potential trades. So the trend is your friend. Okay, I'm going to leave this episode here then. So in the next video we're going to carry on with mastering short-term trading with controlling risk. So thank you all for watching, and I shall see you all in the next video. Laters.